Time and again, we all are in search of easier ways, easier techniques, method, how things can be done in a fast, effective way. And that's what I'm here for with How Hacks, to show you all some different ways, some different methods that would help make work easier or faster, or if not, at least simple. Today's hack is going to come in use for girls, younger girls or teenagers, or even for elder women, ladies. It's all for the women out there and the girls out there specifically. So gents, if you'll like the hack and you'll think it would come in use, y'all can definitely try it, but definite enough this is going to come in use for us ladies. So let's check out the hack and try to make use of it. In case if you all are wearing sleeveless tops or dresses and you all want a small coat, if you all have a t-shirt like this with a little loose neck, what you all can do, the front portion of the t-shirt, just pick it up in this way and slip it back of your head. Of course, pull out all the hair from the side, and then just adjust it in this way. So once you adjust it properly, it will look like a tiny coat. See, if you see it on the back side, it looks very neat. And in case if anything shows up, what you could do is just adjust it from the back side as well. She'll put her hair in the front and see, you all can see how it looks. So this is a very creative and a smart way of making a t-shirt into a tiny mini coat, just in case of an emergency if you don't have one. Friends, this was the hack that I wanted to share. The main creator of this hack is none other than my daughter, who has actually shown us how this hack can be made use of, and I really thank her for coming up with such tiny thinkings, which helps me understand that this is something more innovative, more unique, that someone can make use of in a better way, and that's how I share it on my channel. So friends, if you all have liked or loved this hack, please make it a point to share it with others so that it would come in use to them. And for those who are viewing this video or my channel for the first time, it's a request, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you'll see besides it to get updates on all my upcoming hacks. I'll see you next time, friends, with another new hack. Till then, bye from me. See you.